Happy 8th of February, everybody. Today's the Super Bowl. I don't watch football. I don't know. Just been in some kind of mood. I guess waking up with your teeth chipped, all of them. Somebody took a chisel to me. And it makes me really wonder how they knocked me out that cold. There has to be, they're using something, because when I wake up I feel horrible. And I don't do drugs. This is sad. And it's always about money, power. I believe a lot of us have been here before. Many lives. I believe they don't want you to know that. I believe that they put stuff in the food, air, the water, TV, everything is to throw everybody off and keep them suspended in this matrix. The devil runs the whole show, the fallen angels, whatever you want to call them. And they really believe that they're going to take over God's throne. Or that's what they made people believe. They really think that they're going to win and be free of their evil deeds. You know, he's called the creator for a reason, you guys. Trust in him, and he will see you through anything. I've been tried, publicly humiliated, raped, probably gang raped for all I know, used and abused, sold for a small price apparently. This all started when I was little. I just didn't know what kind of family I was in. Both parents being narcissistic and everything. And then, you know, I'm the only one out of the whole family that's an empath. Everybody else has either narcissistic tendencies or they're a full-blown narcissist or psychopath. And that's not okay. Y'all keep me in your prayers. Just remember, God loves you. So do I. Have a good evening.